Hi guys, it's Harvard from All Parts. Alright, this is the new HAYWARD heat pump. We're not going to talk about the new HAYWARD heat pump because this is not what I want to talk about, is the new HAYWARD heat pump. Alright, this is 410A. I want to talk, and I get a lot of complaints about it, and out near me, near the ocean, the old ESU units. Before HAYWARD got involved in heat pumps, they bought a heat pump called a ESU, and it's usually yellow. Looks very similar to this. And then they went to HP 2100 and stuff like copied it off that. Now they got titanium heat exchanger, new blades, covers for the compressors, 410A. Don't get me started on 410A. That's a gas or a liquid, depending how you talk about it. I hate 410A, okay? The pressures are way too high, and, well, I'm not going to get involved in it. But anyway, the question is always, and it always happens to me, on an ESU unit, okay? To get a board for ESU unit is very costly. But I want to give you guys one option out there. And I call it a kit 1. Alright? It actually is HPXCTL KIT 1. It's used for numerous things. I stocked about 20 of these. Alright? And they also, since it's electrical, if you need to buy it, I do sell it. I'm trying to do some prices, and it's funny. I've been asking manufacturers for prices, and apparently things are going to go way up, and they can't give me quotes on pricing until the end of January. That's when they're going to have their pricing done. Isn't that going to be nice? Anyway. What this kit does for you, and I will show it to you, it is equal to HP 2100. The good boards, oh boy, this one I really got to open up. Sorry guys, this one I really got to open up. Alright. Now I like this kit because it saves me a lot of time. And let me pull everything out. There's my jumper wire. A little jumper wire, but you don't need to know about that. But there you go. Alright, it doesn't say ESEU anymore. It is made for the HP 2100s. Alright? So, you can use this. And then, if you need interface board, okay, you have a new interface board. Alright, so I like stripping it for that, and naturally you got that. So, the old ESU units had a different interface board. And the two didn't like corrosion. If you remember right about here, there was a big metal aluminum pot, always got corroded. I think it came from there. But anyway, this gives you the capability of locking out your heater. Just let you know, all HAYWARD heat pumps, you can lock out the pool and the spa to a certain temperature. I don't agree with them because when it's locked out at 80 degrees, you can't go past 80 and you can't go below 80. So with that respect, they didn't get with the times yet. They should have made it where you lock it out at 80 and you can go below, but you can't raise it. They haven't got it. So you can lock these boards out. Alright? So if you have an ESU unit and you're constantly going through boards, email me. This is the kit that you want. It comes with all new wiring, little jumper board just in case I think this is a freeze protection. Does this have a, yes, it has freeze protection, so that's probably why it has a jumper. Alright, so anyway, you've got the new interface board that you snap on, you got your new cord, and you got your new board, and it'll fit in your ESUU unit. Alright, don't let this scare you. Now on the HP 2100s, the screws lock in this way and back of the board, and on the ESEU units, the screws are from this side. Okay, the 4 screws, magic screws. Well, they allowed for the screws to go in. Okay, so that's why you can convert it. Okay, so you can put your gasket on. Okay, put your gasket on, put your board in, screw it together, snap out your interface board. Also, what I like is they gave you the new tabs, so you can just go ahead and destroy that interface board. It really doesn't matter. It was funny. First, when I did, I was so careful and everything, saving these little tabs and everything else like that, because I'm used to goal line, and I pull this out and I say, son of a gun. But anyway, that's what you want. You want this kit. You should carry a kit like this in your truck, because number one, it gives you a new board, gives you a new interface board, and it gives you a new cord. Very, very well designed. I carry a lot of them. I still do. Everybody knows I still work on heat pumps and goal lines systems and Pennant systems and heat pumps. I do like working on heat pumps. I do not like R410A, but hey, old dogs gotta learn new tricks. Alright guys, I am going to be doing my next thing I'm going to do. Where is it? YouTube, if you want my positive and negative manometer. Try to say that 10 times. For stay right heaters. For diagnosing them for gas. Alright, because on a stay right heater, you need a negative manometer. Alright guys, so this board is for the old ESU. Take care. Hopefully that was a little helpful tip.